Welcome to the Union Club. Upstairs, the 7th floors of luxury. Bar, concierge, finest of everything. And this is where I live. So, we did some work today. Here's some extremely old domestic hot water tanks. That's an old boiler. 2 tanks that fed the Union Club. Now, 2 brand new tanks. This is what I was playing with today. This is my boiler. So we had a problem with a leak in the floor. There's a pipe in the floor that was leaking. See that plywood over there? Plywood had a hole in the pipe leaking down. Came through this wall. And then here's my world. So this is all the steam piping that makes up this basement. All this drains into what we call a receiver tank. And the receiver tank pumps everything up and over back into this boiler. Today we had a leak on it's an 1.25 inch line that actually pitching the wrong way. It's tough to kind of see in here, but what I did was correct it. I taken out that rusted T, and then you see a new drain going in. And the ball down into the receiver tank. And we had a 3/4 inch line that was here that had to get reinstalled. That came down here with this steam trap. That steam trap right here, new connection, was going into this pipe. It was welded. It wasn't even thread. It was a threaded welded T. Not even a T, just a welded pipe. But it went through the wall right there. And that's where it was leaking in that floor. So I'm gonna take you now to the basement, which is even better. There's the 2 tanks we put in. Hot water for the building. Now this is even more of a prize. So I'm in the basement, but yet there's a lower basement. So this is 2 stories below the ground. This is Paul Revere. I don't know what it is. Paul Revere ware from the 1930s. Unbelievable. Just sitting here. Then you come over into the fun land. I got a receiver tank, new pump. And then down here, where the pipe was leaking from the plywood in the floor, come down here. And then this is the new work. Some unions, steam trap. So it was pouring down through this floor. So that's all reconnected. New copper line, picking up steam traps from the 2nd floor. So there you go. I'm gonna have to say bye to all the cockroaches on the wall that were running around next to me today. I think I've scared them all.